Then was the rest of the team on the installation? Okay. In the process, you can take the plank through, tie the rope to the ladder, just pull it through. As easy as that. Okay.
It's just that when she
Okay, that's one way of doing it.